Hello everyone. Well, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. First up, we have this layered bob haircut. If you have been thinking of getting a bob, the layered bob is one of the best options that you can check out if you do have hair that is on the thinner side. It is a great way to mix in some volume and really create some texture overall. Beautiful curtain bangs in the front, stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we see a hair color transformation for the next one, and she ended up going with this beautiful bright blonde lob haircut. Absolutely stunning transformation. This color is gorgeous. Next up, we see the stylist doing another lob haircut. Looks like he's removing some bulk from her hair. Absolutely gorgeous tousled lob haircut. Wow, another beautiful layered hairstyle. This one is, of course, much longer than the previous one. Wow, stunning bob haircut with the burgundy ends. Gorgeous cut and color. Oh wow, absolutely gorgeous ginger colored lob with bangs. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.